Hey, beautiful people. This is LaTrance Hair and Nutrition Educator featured in Successful Moments magazine. Today is a special day, and I have a quick announcement. Nourish Her Hair is officially monetized, and I just wanted to pause and say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This channel started with a simple mission to fix the root of the problem and help your hair and your confidence grow. And because you've been watching and sharing and supporting, we have crossed a major milestone. This wasn't about quick growth. It wasn't about chasing views. It was about consistency. It was about education. Just like your hair growth, it takes time, it takes patience, and it takes nourishment. And now God is opening new doors for this vision. So, to celebrate, I am giving away a $50 Amazon gift card. This part of the giveaway is open only for now. I'm just going to say for now, for U.S. residents only. And it's going to end on but everyone else. I want you to stay tuned for a special bonus below. Here's how you're going to enter. You want to make sure, of course, you are subscribed to Nourish Her Hair. Number two, you want to like this video. And number three, I want you to comment below on how Nourish Her Hair has helped you understand about your hair journey. Tell me what this channel has helped you with. This is only the beginning, and we are growing from the roots, embracing our crown, and we are doing it with intention. It's so important. So thank you for believing in this vision. And remember, healing and growth are a journey. Every step forward is progress, and every single moment matters. And for the little extra that I have for all of my beautiful subscribers, don't forget to grab your free hair growth mistakes guide at the link below. And I'll see you in my next video.